In this video, we're going to show you how to make these gorgeous Starry Night Bath Bombs, the perfect blend of sparkle, scent and self-care. Let's jump in. Before you begin, go ahead and pre-weigh out your ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add your bicarbonate of soda and citric acid. Now pour in your polysorbate 80 and sweet sugar plum fragrance oil. Using your hands, mix everything together until the texture comes crumbly, but hold together when pressed. It should feel like damp sand, not too wet and not too dry. Next, separate 1/3 of the mixture into a clean bowl. Then in the smaller bowl, add the yellow colour to represent the stars. In the large portion, add blue and black colour to create that dreamy midnight sky effect. Take your star clamshell mould and pack it with the yellow mixture. Press firmly to form a star shape, just enough so it holds together without crumbling. Carefully remove the star and place it inside your 70mm bath bomb mould. Now fill the rest of the mould with your dark blue mixture. Press both halves together tightly and let it sit for a few minutes, then gently remove the bath bomb. You'll start to see the stunning night sky look come to life. Place your bath bombs on a flat surface and leave them to dry for 24 hours. This allows them to harden and set properly, so they're ready to be used in the tub. And there you have it, your Starry Night Bath Bombs. Perfect for gifting, selling at craft fairs or enjoying during your own festive self-care routine. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY bath and body recipes from the Soap Kitchen.